Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best AeroPress for travel, the AeroPress Go. If you're someone who loves great coffee on the go, whether it's camping, traveling, or just in the office, this compact and clever coffee maker might just become your new favorite companion. The AeroPress Go is a travel-friendly version of the original AeroPress, designed to deliver the same rich, full-bodied coffee experience without the bulk. It's smaller and more portable, yet still powerful enough to brew 1 to 3 servings of espresso-style coffee or regular 8-ounce cup, all in about a minute. What makes it truly stand out is how everything nests neatly into the included mug. The mug doubles as a travel case with a lid, so you can pack up your entire coffee setup in one compact unit. This makes it perfect for hiking, camping, office desks, or any adventure where space and convenience are key. Brewing with the AeroPress Go is refreshingly simple. Add your coffee grounds, pour in water, stir, and then press down gently. It uses a quick, manual pressing method that extracts flavors efficiently, so your coffee tastes smooth without any bitterness or gritty residue, which you might get from other methods like a French press. The recommended grind is medium fine, but you can experiment to find your preferred taste profile. Besides hot coffee and espresso-style shots, you can also use cold water to make a refreshing cold brew in just 2 minutes, giving you flexibility for all seasons and tastes. The build quality is excellent. It's made from durable, BPA-free polypropylene, which is lightweight but sturdy enough to withstand travel and regular use. At just over 11 ounces and roughly 4 by 7 inches in size, it's small enough to fit comfortably in a backpack or luggage without taking up much room. The design is sleek and matte finished, offering a modern look without compromising on practicality. Included in the kit are all the essentials you need to brew: the chamber, plunger, filter cap, scoop, stirrer, and a set of paper microfilters. There's even a filter holder to keep your filters organized during travel. The entire setup is easy to clean, just rinse it out, and you're good to go. No complicated parts or electronics mean no worries about batteries or charging, making it a truly hassle-free coffee maker. The AeroPress Go isn't just about convenience, it's about control. You're the barista. You get to tweak the coffee to water ratio, brewing time, and temperature to suit your personal preferences. Whether you want a strong espresso-style shot or a smoother American-style coffee, the AeroPress Go can handle it. Overall, the AeroPress Go combines smart design, portability, and excellent coffee quality in one compact package. It's ideal for anyone who refuses to compromise on their coffee, even when away from home. Whether you're backpacking through the wilderness, working in a busy office, or traveling internationally, this is a travel coffee maker that truly delivers. If you enjoyed this review and want more insights into the latest and greatest products, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing!